Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, in the Apps section, click on the Add button. From here, click on the button that says Shopify App Store. This will open the Shopify App Store in a new tab. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in Amazon Reviews. You will see several apps that can import reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. Some popular options include Judge.me, Reputon Amazon Reviews, and OpenU. Most of these apps have a free plan, but some features may require a paid plan. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Add App. Then click Install App to add it to your store. Once the app is installed, you need to set it up. Open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Most apps will guide you through a setup wizard. The first step usually asks you to connect your Amazon account or provide the Amazon product link. For this tutorial, we will use product links. Go to Amazon and find the product you want to import reviews from. Copy the URL of the product page. Now go back to the app and paste this URL in the import field. Then click Import or Fetch Reviews. The app will take a few seconds to pull in the reviews. That is all you need to do. Now, your Shopify products have real Amazon reviews,